to turn on Incognito Mode on Android. For that, simply open the browser on your device. After that, on the top right corner, there is three dotted line. Simply tap on it, and now a drop-down menu has appeared on the screen. Simply, you can see New Incognito tab. Simply, you need to tap on this. Then now, you'll get access to this page where you can see that it has informed us that you have gone incognito. This means that now the Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, and site data, information entered in forms, and now you can browse more privately. So you will know that the incognito mode has turned on because there is a little like incognito person at the top of the screen. So this way you can easily turn on incognito mode and on Android. So I hope you found this video helpful. If this was, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more updates. So thank you for watching.